Hi. Now, I'll get straight into it. A lot of you have been asking me if I can draw something that not anybody in the whole world can draw, and of course the answer is yes. But besides that, I want to check how many of you have actually been keeping up with your art training, because you know, being an artist is a serious thing, and if you don't train every day, then you're just gonna fall off the artist wagon, and you're gonna hurt yourself, and it will take a long time to recover from that. In fact, you might never recover from it, so just keep training. And if you like this video, then draw a dinosaur. Draw 2 dinosaurs. Why not? I still need to decide what I'm going to draw this week. Let's see now. How about I draw a leaf? It's something I haven't done before. Or a star. Yeah. Nice stars. Very purple, everyone's favorite color. It's been scientifically proven. Fluffiness. I haven't done that before. Lightning pattern. That doesn't look like lightning. Oh well. I've never done that before either. Ooh, FireAlpaca. That's a long FireAlpaca. Of course, don't make them go upside down, because then you know what happens. The blood rushes to their head and they will be sad. Anyway. Now, if you're very artistic, like if you've been drawing art for like 60, 70 decades, you may have noticed that these FireAlpaca actually have different colored bow ties. I mean, you probably can't see it with your naked eye, but maybe if I zoom in, you'll like actually have a chance of being able to see it. See, these 2 bow ties they're very similar in color to the untrained eye, but there's actually a subtle difference between them. This one at the top is a color that's known as green, sorry, and the one at the bottom is blue, like cyan, I think. Something like that. And most people, like 97% of people in the world, would not be able to see the difference between these colors. It's been scientifically proven. But if you're in that 3%, then you're a liar. But if hypothetically you were, then you might be able to see a slight difference. Now these ones are, I think, if I remember correctly, about 4% of people in the world would be able to see the difference between these. Green and orange. See, I know my colours. Every artist knows their colours, unless they're a bad artist. In which case, well, keep watching my videos, because you'll learn a lot. And this colour here is blue, more or less, and it's useful for lots of things, like well, alpaca bow ties, you can color them in with blue, or alpacae, you can color them in with blue. This one looks like it's winking. See that? Well, probably not. I don't think it's something you'd be able to see with your untrained, not very artistic eyes. This one's also winking. And that one. Why are so many of them winking? That's creepy. Ugh. That's kind of weird. I'm gonna... Oh, they're creeping me out. I'm gonna... Hold on. Ugh. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Ugh. How do I... Oh god. Why isn't it working? Airbrush. I've got the... How do I... It's not working. Oh, I need this. There. Quick. Get rid of them. Get rid of them. Are there any more of them winking? Oh, I feel better now. Safer. Oh, some of them can still see me. Okay. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, but... Oh, they're gonna get out, though. They're gonna get out. Okay, hang on. What have we got here? Do you have like a cage or something? What's this? Kakiyami. Oh, that is like a cage. Yeah, that could work. I need to pick a different color though. What's a good strong cage color? Black. Okay. Okay, good. There. Once they're all caged up, we'll be safe. It's actually I mean, it might sound weird that I'm like a bit afraid of alpacas looking at me, but it's actually completely rational, not irrational, because it's a little known fact that artists actually used to be harassed, literally harassed in the street by alpacae, and that's actually the origin of, you know, how an art program came to be associated with alpacae. Because like an idiot might think, oh well, what's the connection between alpacae and art or drawing or something? But it's, if you're not an idiot, then you'll know that it's because of that whole harassment thing. Why did they harass artists? Well, that's a good question, I would say, if I were lying. It's because, well... See, artists used to kind of compete with alpacae for resources. They both needed the same thing to survive, which was paintbrushes. Alpacae used to... Well, they still do to this day. They use paintbrushes to go hunting, and... You see how fluffy they are? The fluff actually contains magic, and they can use the magic to paint... Well, they use the paintbrush to paint pictures, but the magic brings the pictures to life, and then the pictures that are alive help them hunt for some kind of food, whatever alpacae eat. But, the fluffiness, did you see the fluffiness? It's like... Oh my god, it's winking at me! Ah! Ah! Okay. Cages. Oh god, they're not working. It's the oh god. It's not working. It's black. Hang on. Change the color. It's red. Oh, that's no good. That's the same color as the red. Okay. There. Okay, well, this is no good. I think... Oh, I'm gonna have to go. They're just they're gonna get out soon. Hang on. Let's see. Right. Oh god, this tutorial turned into a bit of a mess. I'm sorry about that. I will... Well, let's close this, because otherwise we're all gonna meet a terrible end. I'll see you next time. Okay, homework. What's your homework? Well, I would like you to all write an essay on why alpacae, well, whether they should or should not be put in cages, and why or why not. And secondly, practice drawing alpacae in cages, and also practice putting them in cages, and also watch out to see if any alpacae wink at you, and if they do, try out what you would do in that situation. And if there were a nearby artist who's like a legendary, well-renowned, world-famous artist, and he were being winked at by an alpaca, I want you to think about what you would do in that situation to save him, and always make sure you have some cages nearby, because they could be helpful. So write an essay on why and how the cages could be helpful in that situation, and yeah, good luck with that. It's very important homework. I will see you next time, and don't forget to look both ways for alpacae before crossing the street. Okay, bye.